Hello everyone and very good morning. Today we discuss about this pressure gauge to the alarm system, this overall system. You can see here here it's connected with a water supply here from the pipeline. It's showing the pressure, and this connected to the two cables, and one cable is 2-core, so total 4-core wire connection here already connected inside. Here you can see the other pressure gauge here is also connected with a 4-core 2 cable. Okay, so 2-core 1 cable and 2-core, the total 4-core. Now it's connected with a water connection, and you can see the pressure is under 6 bar. So we already set the connection here. You can see this one for construction, one for the WC pure water, and this is a PDIT transmitter. We are connected here together, and we can check our pressure of the water and the pipelines. And this is overall system, you can see. So this for the purpose of for the purpose of pressure of water. If the flow of water pressure is high, it will start alarm on the set value. If the pressure is lower than the set value, it will also start the alarm. So also we connected to the transmitter. This transmitter is connected to 24 volt DC, and this is the pressure line, pressure release line. You can release the pressure. So this overall system is connected. You can see here pH meter, ORP meter. Also we connected here to this our water lines, and this is the transmitter, 3 transmitter. So we have 3 filters here, and 1 filter is connected with the pressure gauge. Also it's showing our the pressure is a 6 bar normally, and this is the filter. Some wastewater is coming, so we need to filter this water to supply for the construction purpose. Now you can see that was outdoor connection and the pressure gauge connected there. Now this one is the inside local. So the set value is 2.5 bar to 6 bar, same 2.5 bar to 4 bar. This one is for 2.5 to 4 bar. This one is WCB, water curtain borehole water pressure alarm system is here. You can see if the pressure is higher, the red alarm will sound, and if the pressure is lower, the green alarm. So same power here. You can see if the alarm system and retrieve. Yeah, this is the alarm high value set. If there is alarm, you can stop from here if you want to stop. And this is the inside wiring system, wiring connection. This is the 220 volt supply. You can see here 220 volt supply, and the other one, this 4 wires is coming from outside. 2 red color, 2 black color is from outside from the pressure gauge. Is connected to the pressure gauge, is going like this to the outside to the field. And now you can see here, and the up wiring system is connected to the alarm. Also is to the alarm, high alarm, and low alarm is this green color. You can see high alarm, low alarm, and this all cable, all wires coming to the this push button. You can see here is for the low alarm, yellow color and black. Okay, it's also 220 volt. This one also 220 volt is high alarm, and low alarm and high alarm is total wiring system and the electrical system. Now already there is neutral and line, ground. This 3, 2, 4, 5 unity connect here to all these wires. And if the level is high from the set value, also it will start alarm. And if the value is, both are being same, and if the value is lower than the set value, it will start also alarm. But if you want to do some maintenance and you stop, so it means the value will be low. You need to push from here to stop, and you need to push from here to start. If you like my video and you learn something, so please subscribe my video.